Alright, this is it. Hi everyone, it's Lily or CoolRiceBunnies, and welcome back to my channel. I am posting a video. I haven't posted a video, like an actual edited and filmed video, in 2 years. It's been about 2 years. And not only is it, me posting a video, but it's a craft related video. I have not done a craft update in 5 years. It's 2015. Because of the pandemic, I literally have no concept of what time is anymore. I literally don't even remember what's been going on for the last 4 months of my life. But yeah, to say 5 years since my last craft update, it's just kind of, I can't comprehend it. Being aware of how long I've been gone, I do want y'all to know that I'm very happy to be back and posting videos. I do plan on posting videos again. I know I say that a lot, but I'm really things are different now. I'm happy to be crafting again after my hiatus. And no matter who you are, if you've never seen my videos before, if you're about to unsubscribe because you used to watch my videos and now you don't care, or if you're someone who's been waiting a very long time for me to start posting again, I just hope that you're good and you're safe and you're healthy. And yeah, so let's just let's get into it. Alright, so here are my charms. I also have some bigger things that I want to show you all, but note that a majority of these are my newer things I've made. They're hand painted, made with white clay. On this side, I kind of have stuff that I've made over the last 4 to 5 years that just never made into a charm update, but I wanted to show them. Okay, so the first thing I want to show just shows how old some of these are. This is the little ice cream cake that I made for my 4-year YouTube anniversary. I now believe my account is 8 years old, but this was something I did for a tutorial. I think it was the last Polymer Clay tutorial I posted before I went on super long hiatus. And there are just some slices here. And the candle also comes out. So that was cute. Can you guys hear my cat eating food in the background? There he is, just munching away. Next, I have these Popsicle Charms. They're actually flatback pieces that I made out of white polymer clay, and then I painted them with acrylic paint. This one has a gold bail. This one I just kind of left how it is because I ran out of findings and I wanted to turn it into a pin. They are super shiny because with all of these newer painted pieces, I glazed it with UV resin. I love the way it turns out. It's just great. Super shiny. I painted on all the little fruit details. This one actually has little hearts on it. I think that's really adorable. I hate this. It's like weird candy corn and I'm not about it. This one has kind of the 2 indents on it, like that kind of style of a popsicle, and this one's just a smoother looking one. Next, I have these really cute little watermelon flatback charms. Again, this one has a silver bail on it. This one doesn't have anything because I do want to turn it into a pin at some point. Like all of these, I painted the back with a solid color and I signed my name. So I like the gradient. I thought the heart idea was cute, but then I went with regular, watermelon seeds on the other one. And again, just love the shine of that UV resin. So that was really fun and cute to make. I'm just going to keep on going with this food theme. So the next ones I have to show you are these milk cartons. This one is a strawberry milk carton. The back is yellow, has a gold bail. I actually imprinted the words milk in there. I don't know exactly how I think that turned out because the UV resin obviously filled in the little letter indents, but I think it still looks cute. My strawberries look a little derpy, but I still think everything is super cute. And then this one is a chocolate milk. His little face, little chocolate bar. Give him some cow prints on the side. Very shiny. The back is a dark brown, and the little heart I did with gold paint. Thought that was nice. So I really like how those turned out. Next flatback charm I made was this strawberry. It's very pastel pink. I love the pastel green leaves and how I made those lines there with the paint, and the seeds are a nice light yellow color with hearts. The back is just a very opaque bright yellow, and I forgot to sign the back of this one before I glazed it. I might make that into a magnet or something. I'm not sure yet. These two are actually some really old pins that I had made, and this is with colored polymer clay, and then I made the edges look burnt with some acrylic paint, I believe, that I watered down. But yeah, these are just my little fried egg boys. I love their faces. Made it with brown clay, and I don't know, they just came out really, really cute. And then these were the two pins that I had made recently, right before I actually ran out of pin backings. But these are what I like to call toad toasts or frog bread. They're just little toast in the shape of frog heads. They have a pat of butter on the side, some little speckles. This one's winking. The backs, they're not great. I painted them with orange paint. This one's a little chipped, if you can see. But these were like the first new things I had made since my hiatus. I think personally I could have picked a better color for the backs, but they're still super cute. I'm gonna start showing you guys some older charms, some like actual like polymer clay charms, not flatback things. These are little cheeseburgers. I glazed this one with UV resin, and then I left this one unglazed, as well as this one. I love their cute little faces. The tops are shaded with sesame seeds. Bottoms are shaded too. I don't love the way that the one that's glazed really looks anymore because a lot of the texture was lost. It still looks nice, you know, but I think I would have preferred it to be unglazed. I remember I made these when I hadn't done clay in years, and I just wanted to craft some charms one night. Some other random old charms are these pumpkins. I obviously made these during the fall time a couple years ago, but I have just a couple different ones. These white pumpkins, I forget what the actual names of these are. Some regular orange pumpkins. I did a little mint pumpkin with gold stem, and then the Fimo quartz clay with a gold stem too. And I made this pumpkin. It's a like Hello Kitty skull jack-o'-lantern. It's not glazed or anything. There's not even an eye pin in it. I don't even really know if I'm done with it or if I want to put glow-in-the-dark clay in it or something. Maybe paint it. I'm not really sure. Next, I have some of my favorite things I made, which were Animal Crossing themed. So here is the most helpful girl in the world. This is Isabel. I love the way she turned out. I was honestly so excited about this that when I went to go glaze it, I totally forgot to sign my name again. But I painted the back this cute pink color. I like the facial expression I painted on, the little fake little shines on her ears and her bangs. I really like how this turned out. I don't really have much else to say about this. Then the next one, I made Tom Nook, the money man himself. He, I think he came out all right. I didn't really color the back a different color. I did sign my name on this one, and he has a gold bail. His eyes, I think, need to be bigger. Kind of messed up on that. So he looks a little extra sleepy, but other than that, he is still cute. Still cute. And then last but not least, I made this Pascal flatback charm. He's so shiny, and I think, I don't know, I have no words other than I have really been enjoying the summer update for Animal Crossing New Horizons, where he shows up whenever you dive in the ocean and you find a clam. Or is it an oyster? An oyster? A clam. Love how he turned out. These are little Mama Shiba bean dogs. They are so small, I don't even know if I can keep them focused, but I don't know. I put this Mama Shiba bean dog on this really random chocolate cupcake. I don't know. I don't love this. It's not realistic at all. I don't know why I made the base a pearl purple color, and I don't know why I made the icing this pearl color either. Then I made, to go with it, these two tiny Mama Shiba charms. It's so small. Is his face focusing? Their faces are painted on. So yeah, very random. But I used to really love the Mama Shiba bean dogs. Another random charm is this little octopus guy. He's made with the Sculpey Primo Opal clay. His face is painted on, and then I put black paint inside his mouth. This tiny little pearl cactus charm with a silver bail. The back has gold clay and micro marbles for the little cactus spikes. And then the last flatback painted charm I had made is this little bunny cactus. I really love how this turned out. I like the little gold detailing on the pot here. Little face, looks like Malong the bunny. Has a gold bail in the back. The back is not the prettiest. Out of like all of these, this is definitely the ugliest back because I didn't smooth out the surface. But I still painted it pink and I signed my name. But yeah, I love how this turned out. I think it's super, super cute. And I don't know where to put you. Hello. Let's try to squeeze it over here. So the next things I want to show you all are just different. Maybe you've seen it on my Instagram, but you haven't really seen it on my channel. First things being these custom badge reels. If you don't know what a badge reel is, it's just a circular little clip thing and you hook on an ID badge. So like if you're a nurse or a doctor, if you work in a corporate office, you might have one of these. But there's a pretty big community of people who make custom badge reels for people, you know, just to spice up their work life. I've been making custom ones with stickers and UV resin and glitter, and these are two of them that I have. I've made a lot more and I've posted about them on my Instagram account, so if you guys follow me, you've seen them here, but these are just two of them that I still have because a lot of them I gave to my sister so she could give to her nurse friends. But yeah, just really simple, really, really fun. I've done live streams making these. Okay, the next three things are kind of weird. Okay, let me explain. These are from the movie Trolls and they are pencil toppers. I made 3 characters from the movie. Honestly, I can't even tell you what their names are because I did these so long ago, I just don't remember. I used to make tutorials for the DreamWorks Kids YouTube channel, which is now called Peacock Kids, and they had a whole DIY series that I made videos for. I'm gonna call this one Justin Timberlake because I know he's voiced by Justin Timberlake. I think they came out really, really good. This is all colored clay. I painted on their faces with acrylic paint. Their heads, the base of their heads, I did with aluminum foil. So they're actually very, very lightweight, even though they're pretty big. This is the second guy that I did. I don't remember his name, but I do remember liking him in the movie just because he was so sparkly. So I decided to make him with super sparkly clay. I don't even remember like what color clay I used for his hair because this stuff is wild. Like, look how sparkly that is. And then here's the other main character. I really like how she turned out. I think it's just so smooth looking and like really well done, and they're still very shiny and in great shape. I used like my typical varathane polyurethane glaze. Those are my 3 troll heads. And then I'm going to end this video with some more DreamWorks TV projects. I used to make a lot of phone case tutorials for them. This is my magical unicorn phone case. It's partially Decoden. I colored this silicone. I think it was clear silicone, and then I colored it with some oil paints. I had some heart beads. One of the heart beads fell off. And then I made this unicorn out of polymer clay. The horn was made out of the opal clay, painted on her eyeball and her ear. I love the colors that I chose. I thought this was a really cute phone case. Definitely bulky, but super, super cute. And then the last one, this was made for DreamWorks, but it wasn't made for their YouTube channel. I actually think this was made for like a DIY segment on a TV series that they had in Canada or something like that. I really don't remember. But as you can see, this is a sort of Alice in Wonderland type phone case. The actual theme was Ever After High Way to Wonderland series. It's on a purple plastic phone case base. I made this background out of polymer clay. I imprinted it with popsicle sticks, and then I painted the checkerboard pattern and gold paint. Everything on here that you see I made out of polymer clay except for this one metal key. This is the hat for the Ever After High doll, the little clock, some playing cards. Yep. This was a fun project. Okay, that's it. That's everything I've made. Really hope you guys enjoyed that. It took me back a lot of nostalgia filming a charm update, so I really hope you guys enjoyed it too. I posted a poll on my community tab asking if people cared whether or not I updated you all on where I've been, and a lot of you did want to hear about it, but also, you know, there was a good percentage of people that, you know, they didn't really mind what I did. But after I like filmed this video and edited it, I realized it was already pretty long, and I kind of just want to keep it to the crafts. And so I think I do want to make an update video just letting you guys know, you know, why I disappeared again and what I was doing while I was gone. That is coming. I don't know. Now this is rambling. All I just want to say is thanks for watching. And yeah, it's good to be back. All right, bye.